Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate chip cookie mix. First, combine 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Next, add 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar and 3/4 of a cup of packed light brown sugar. Whisk these dry ingredients together until they are well combined and uniform. This forms the base of your convenient cookie mix. When you're ready to bake, transfer your dry mix to a large mixing bowl. In a separate bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry mix, stirring until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Finally, fold in 2 cups of your favorite chocolate chips. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto ungreased baking sheets, spacing them about 2 inches apart. Bake for 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the centers are still soft. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheets for a couple of minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. For perfectly chewy cookies, consider chilling your dough for at least 30 minutes before baking. This helps prevent spreading and enhances flavor. You can also experiment with different types of chocolate, like milk, dark, or white, or even add a 1/2 cup of chopped nuts for extra texture. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your kitchen spotless after baking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.